If you're looking for comfort and shortcuts, this video won't help you, but if you're ready for a change, stay with me. I've spent almost 2 decades in retail, and the biggest lesson, real success grows from discipline, not from comfort. This business isn't for people who want overnight results. It's for people who already know how to show up, even on the days they're tired. If you can finish a long shift and still show up for your family, if you can follow procedures and responsibilities without excuses, if you can serve others with patience even you're exhausted, then you already have everything you need to start building something for yourself. I'm looking for people who recognize their own strength, people who know deep inside that they were made for more than clocking in and out forever. Not perfection, not speed, just heart, commitment, and the courage to begin. If this speaks to you, let's connect and I'll show you the first step. I'll see you around.